Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy your tickets for Go Transit. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, Go Transit is a very popular method of transportation in Canada, especially when you travel intercities and you don't want to use your personal car. So you can always buy these tickets from vending machine, but you can do online also, and it is called e-ticket. So here in front of you, I have opened the website. First, you need to plan from where and where you are going. So let's say you are going from. It's going to show you all the options. Select date and search. Of course, if you have a Presto card, you're gonna pay less, no doubt. But yeah, if you want, you can buy online tickets also, whichever is up, like you're feeling comfortable with. So let's say if I click on this. If you want to return trip also, you can do, and you can select the people who are traveling. Uh, Kids 12 and below, they ride for free. You don't have to pay. So you can select how many people are going, and you can click on continue. Now it's gonna show you the fare. And once you buy a ticket, it has to be used within 7 days. So that validity is being shown over here. You can put information, you can buy, okay. So it will send the ticket to the email that you can activate when you go to the transit, because a fare inspector may want to see while you are traveling. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.